everyone, welcome back. Look what we have today. Look inside. Doesn't it look so good? This is a burrito from this place called the Taco Stand. I also have some tortilla chips. These were freshly made. This was an authentic taco place, not like Taco Bell. This is their homemade house salsa. Another small salsa, I think. This is the extra spicy because I like hot stuff. And this is some guacamole. So before we get started, let's do a quick thumbnail. Or, uh-oh. That one should be good. I like that one. Oof. I could not open these because if I did, it would have spilled all over everywhere. This smells so hot. I can smell the spices. So fresh, so good. I say my prayers off camera. Don't think I didn't say them. You guys see it? Uh-oh. I notice when I do this, you can see it more. Like the glare from off the camera. I don't know. Man, that's hot. Just like I like it. That is super duper hot. That's so hot. They got my ears itchy. They're itching from the spices, but I love it. I love hot stuff. Let's get into this burrito. So, you know what made me crave this today? I watch a lot of mukbangs. And it was this place, not this place, but this channel called Roadie Foodie. Shout out to you guys because when I watched the video, you guys made me crave burritos. Just the way how this is a baby burrito compared to the burrito he was eating on his channel. The burrito was so freaking big. It was abnormal. He kept saying, look at all my meat. I gotta hold it tight. My meat is falling off. I comment and I said, that's amazing burrito. And he said, it wasn't a burrito, it was a city. And I thought that was funny because it was so big. Y'all need to go on their channel. RHODYFOODY. Roadie Foodie. Man. So if you guys are watching my video, y'all made me hungry and y'all made me want a burrito. I'm just gonna dip. This was from a real authentic taco place called the Taco Stand out here in Westland, Michigan, where I live. Look. Mm. Bite it. Bite. Mm. Amazing. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I hope you guys like my Selena shirt. I love Selena. Um, I'm not a real huge fan of guacamole. Mm, 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 mm. It's coming apart. Mm. Oh no 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 no! Little burrito. I mean, all of you, even if you come apart. Oh, I forgot to mention. Inside this taco stand burrito, it has rice, cilantro. They're great seasonings, and I ordered the steak. Mm. Mm mm mm. Comment down below and tell me your favorite authentic Mexican restaurant for tacos and burritos and everything else. Mm, mm-mm. I want to dunk it in there. I don't care if hamburger meat falling in here. Eating this made me think about I was going to I think another Mexican restaurant to go eat. This was years ago. Y'all know I always tell my back in the day stories, but they be funny to me. So when I tell them to you guys, I be wanting y'all to feel the experience and imagine how things was when I explain the story because it be so funny to me. Sometimes it have a lot of cursing in some of the stories from the people, not me, that be in the stories with me. I don't curse on my channel. So this is a good clean channel. I don't curse on here. Not saying people that curse are bad people. I just don't curse. Mm, Every time I eat good food, I lose train of thought about what I'm supposed to be talking about. Mm. I'm gonna scoop it up with this tortilla chip. That's my little fork. So as I was saying, eating this made me think about a time years ago. I was going to a restaurant. It might have been a Mexican restaurant. I think so. And I was learning how to drive. And when I was learning how to drive, someone was teaching me how to drive. When they was teaching me how to drive, we end up getting pulled over in Dearborn. Mm, mm, mm. One of the worst places, in my opinion, to get pulled over at. Look at this. So good, y'all. But so I got pulled over. I guess I turned. I did an illegal turn. Why did I do that illegal turn? As soon as I did the illegal turn, here they come. You never know when Dearborn police gonna fly out on you. They just come out of nowhere. He just flew out. I didn't even see him. He just came. He just like he appeared. These are so fresh and good. I was about to pick up the burrito. I'm like, wait a minute. Let me get back into this. Mm, mm, mm. Every little bit I chew. Mm, all them flavors just bursting. Mm, mm, mm. Y'all know I gotta play a little bit too. So I get pulled over. I made the illegal turn. Here they come flying out of nowhere. My heart beating so fast, it's pounding. I'm like, oh, because you know you hear so many bad stories about police. And Dearborn police, I hate to say this, but they are racist. Very racist police officers, and that's not good. You shouldn't judge a person by the color of their skin. And they don't do that. They don't care. So, they pulled me over because of the legal turn. Just so happenly, it was a black guy driving, and it was the white guy in the passenger side. Like, I guess it was the sergeant and, just a regular cop. I don't know what they call it. So, I'm just sitting there, like, blink me and stuff. I get out the car. No, I didn't get out the car. What I'm talking about? Scratch that. He came up to the black officer came up to my window, and he was like, you can tell, like, did you know that you did an illegal turn? I'm like, no, I'm learning how to drive. I'm a new driver, blah, blah, blah. He was like, well, yeah, that was an illegal turn. I'm going to give you a pass today and not going to give you a ticket. But he said, try to pay attention to the signs when you're driving. I know you're learning how to drive, and a licensed driver is teaching you. Do you have your permit? And at the time, I might have had my permit. I'm not sure. Sometimes I forget certain details in these stories. So, what did he say? So he was like, just next time, basically pay attention to the signs when it says like the no turn, don't turn there. And he was just, giving me the whole rundown about traffic and the laws and stuff. So he was like, you can go. He was telling me that because his partner was getting out the car. And when his partner was getting out the car, he looked so mean. Like, he looked so. He looked like he was for no games. He had those, like, I don't know what they call it, some chap things, like the chap boots or something. I don't know. It looked like he was in a Western movie. He had, like, the cowboy look to him. He had, like, the strap with the gun and the strap on his little hip, and then he had on these strap boots, like, excuse me, strap boots around his calves. I don't know what it was. I just was like, it was strange and it was very odd. He was walking so fast to come check out what was going on, and then the black cop was like, you can go, you can just go, just hurry up and go, hurry up and go. I was like, oh my god, it's like I just dodged a major bullet. Look, look at it. Hmm. Every bite is like a bite of heaven. Mm. I got some more fresh chips. Mm. Guacamole. Let me try guacamole. I always say this and end up hating it every single time. I be thinking it's gonna taste different from different places. It just looks so ugly. Mm-mm. I'm just not a fan. And I think this is the same sauce as the other one. Let me see. Smell like it. Mm-mm. Let me see again. Mm-mm. This is what it is. This is the ooh. Mm. This one is like plain Jane. Uh-uh. I like mine to be hot, spicy, fire, kicked up a notch. I wish y'all can see all the seasonings that's in here. Like chili, little seeds in here. Probably habanero. I love habanero. Mm. I just can't stop eating it. I'm so glad he told me you can go. Because what if he did? What if that other cop did get close to me And then he starts saying stuff like, now, what are you doing driving? Do you have your permit? Why is this like that? Why is that like that? Why did you make that turn? Why is this like that? Why is that like that? I remember just driving home from work sometimes, and I had to go through Dearborn to get home. And that would be the only car sometimes out there. And then here they come. They would just fly out. I would be like, here we go. I hated them because they will always come out on me for some reason. No other police department really bothered me as much as Dearborn Police will bother me. And that's crazy to me. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. So the moral of the story is for all the young ones that's learning how to drive, be careful out there. Pay attention. Don't do anything illegal like I did. And always listen and be respectful. Record. Whenever the police is around, I suggest you to record. I didn't record, but I think everyone should record just to be safe. So, everyone, that concludes this video for today. I am so Kyra. I hope you guys like my video today. Comment down below and let me know how you felt about the video and the food content. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe. Bye, everyone.